Well, doesn't look too bad right here. Backyard just got debris in it. Well, there's one down. Oh my. That snapped that one like a twig. That's a good 80-footer. There's one behind it. Look at this, snapped off like a twig. There's one over it. Oh, jeez.
We're going to have wood for the winter, dear. Several winters.
Yep.
It's back there.
Oh God, here's another one. Another big boy. That's 3.
This is the one that's on somebody's shelf. There's 4 there.
That one's gone 4. Half of this one's gone 5. Oh, his fell on his house. See that?
Yep. Didn't hurt the fence.
Didn't hurt the shed either.
A little. I'm sure they'll want it fixed.
Well, act of God, dear. Not my problem.
Look at this.
So much for my fence.
Which number is this? Is this
That's
6?
just 5.
Gotta walk around it.